What's up? This is a video on installing a strut tower brace or bar. It is a completely worthwhile upgrade. It flattens the car out significantly and makes the transient response much better. I was actually pretty shocked at how effective it is. I'm not sure why, but I've installed these types of braces on other cars before, and this one had a pretty huge impact. Even things like driving down weird angles and stuff, the car won't flex at all. Long sweeping turns, much easier. Quick sharp turns, also easier, and transient response is great too. All right, let's get into the install. I haven't seen a video on this. For the 63, it should be very straightforward. I don't think you have the adaptive or air shocks up front. For the 550 in America, basically, it's not completely straightforward. Check out the video, but basically this doesn't connect exactly into where it is without a little bit of germline. Then you can get these pretty solid, but you kind of have to squeeze in, push down, and catch it on three sides. I surmise that these are like 18, maybe 17.6 pound-feet of torque. I would torque them. Do not just go to town with them with like an impact wrench. Because you will destroy your upper strut mounts. You might want to ask me how I know that. All right, so this side is a little different. This side I mounted backwards. The other side I mounted forwards. And I tried it both ways. I tried to get them on the same side, but it just wouldn't work.